Hey guys, the road today we are reacting to phone service providers by Lenarr Young. Link in the description down below. Let's get it started. the music.
What's up, man? What's up? You gotta be Verizon. You gotta be Verizon, man. You came here too quick. Yep, that's me. Verizon, the fastest speed anybody can get. But you pretty fast yourself, though. You pretty fast yourself, AT&T. Yeah, you can sound pretty fast, you know.
Bro.
I'm up there, you know. I ain't up there with you, though. Sound like.
Who's that? T-Mobile? Cricket? Nah, it can't be Cricket. I don't know if them thing will be that.
Who that? I don't know, bro. I was about to ask you that.
Boost?
What's your name, man?
They gotta be Cricket. Keep not saying nothing.
T.
Oh yeah, T-Mobile. I thought it was
No,
Cricket.
that's T-Mobile, man.
Ha!
It's T-Mobile. I should have known. Slow as hell.
I knew it. I knew it. I knew I wasn't sure. Like, is it T-Mobile?
Bo.
Oh my
It's crazy
god.
how we be slowing down our connection on purpose, just to mess with our consumers. These other companies' connection just really be slow. That junk is crazy. Like, they really be doing that junk is crazy.
For real.
Look at them. It gotta be done, man. It gotta be done. Let me go mess up Lenarr Wi-Fi real quick. Don't do that, man. Don't do that, man, like that.
Oh nah.
Gosh, dang, bro, Verizon, bro, what's up? Verizon, what is up with the internet?
Bro, put it back, bro. Put it back, man. He ain't.
Gosh, man, what's wrong with the internet, bro? My LTE not even working, man.
Let me turn it back on. Let me turn it back on.
I'm dead.
Turn it back on before it goes right.
Now that junk wanna work. Now I wanna work. Alright. You know what? That's crazy. Now I wanna work.
It be like that though.
What was that? What was that? Bro, what was that? What was that? Bro, what is going on, bro? What is this? What provider is this? Okay, that gotta be Sprint, cause that service is non-existent. The way he glitching right now, yeah, that gotta be Sprint.
Bro, I forgot about Sprint. I forgot about Sprint.
You lagging, bro. You lagging.
I forgot about Sprint though. That's the real.
Yeah, we can't hear a word you saying right now. Can y'all hear me now?
Yeah.
We can hear you now, man. Thank God. What's up, man?
I hadn't heard somebody on the Sprint playing in a while.
I'm out, bro. I'm out. I can't.
Alright, that does it for the reaction. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.